Hello monks, we have 3 circuits for our EMOM hypertrophy. So first 2 circuits will be for 9 minutes and last circuit is for 6 minutes. This time happy news is there is no increment of 2 reps each on every set. Since COVID crisis is going on, we have fixed the reps to 15 reps. So each workout you will be doing just 15 reps throughout the workout. First circuit you have 3 exercises. You will be doing 3 sets. First minute you will start with jump squats. You get down for a nice squat and jump high. So you will be doing 15 jump squats on first minute. Next one, second minute you will be doing 15 push-ups. Palms and shoulders in a straight line and also body in a straight line. Engage your core. Don't let your elbow flare away. And do the nice push-ups. And scale yourself depending on your fitness level. Knee supported push-ups or wall push-ups. Stand at a 1 arm distance and feel the nice stress on your chest while doing wall push-ups. Third minute you will be doing reverse crunch pulse, 15 reps. So you lie down, lift your leg up and also lift your hip up and up, 15 reps. These 3 exercises you will be doing for 3 times. There is no increase in the reps. So total 3 sets you will be doing 15 reps. So after 9 minutes you will be having 3 minutes rest. And moving on to second circuit, again we have 3 exercises. So first minute you will be doing Bulgarian split squats. Keep a stool or chair, stand at 1 arm distance, turn around, that means 3 feet distance. Keep one leg on the bench, roll out your shoulders, keep your chest high and squat down. Knees behind the toes. First minute, 15 reps on the right leg. On second minute, 15 on the left. On third minute, you will be doing butterfly crunches. So keep your hands wider, crunch and try to touch your ankle every time. Back to back 3 times, these 3 exercises. Again after 9 minutes, you will be having 3 minutes rest. And the last circuit is about 6 minutes. That means again 3 exercises, just 2 sets. First exercise is tuck jumps. Tuck jumps is an explosive workout. Scale yourself. Bring your knees high, toes pointing towards the ground. And scale yourself to an easier version by just hop and jump, hop and jump. Next one, second minute, you will be going for high plank. So hold a high plank and count up to 15 on the second minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as slow as possible. Challenge yourself. The next exercise is double arm punch sit-ups. So usually we will be touching the floor. Instead, you just come up and punch. Go down, come up, punch. So all exercise 15 reps throughout the circuit. This is it. Try it out. This last exercise, just go for 2 circuits. That's it. Try it out and let me know how you feel. That's it. Bye bye.